Thank you so much. I would like to say that this is the fifth edition of Mr., Miss and Mrs. Face of Panache 2022, where we launch our brand ambassador and we give them a very good platform to explore themselves in the life. So hope this is going to be very big event, and we having the grand finale on 30th January 2022. Thank you.
We have Akar here. Akar, congratulations. You're doing extremely well and we love watching you on the screen.
Thank you.
आज आप पनाश में आए हैं, what would you like to say?
First of all, I would like to thank Vishal for associating me with his brand, Panache Runway. We started our association around 6-7 months back, but the bonding has been pretty strong. We collaborated on a photo shoot. The designs have been done by Vishal, the styling has been done by him, everything from making the posters, and these pictures are now going to be on cover of few magazines. I would like to, from bottom of my heart, like to wish Panache Runway, Vishal, all the very best. This is the 5th edition for Mr., Miss and Mrs. Panache Face of the year 2022. I wish मैं इनकी 50th function में भी आऊँ, और इसी तरह for years I'll be associated with them, hopefully. All the very best, and all the very best to all the contestants who are here. Give your best shot. There's a huge and a very bright future for you ahead. I think it's a beautiful platform for a lot of young boys and girls who are coming into films and modeling and television. We all need a place where we can start off from, and I think this is a fantastic base that Vishal is providing them. So all the very best to them also, and again I'd like to thank Vishal for having me here.
Akar, you're such a versatile actor yourself, and you know now Panache also has upcoming model talent actors in future. So what advice would you like to give for the upcoming talent who are participating at Panache?
A lot of people ask me, yaar, you being an actor, how come you into... I would like to just tell them, I started as a model. I modeled for nearly 70-80 commercials. I was a fashion model before I started doing acting, which again, I was a model by default. I was always an actor, but acting job nahi mila, so I started modeling, and people loved me, and I was photographer's delight for a very long time, and I endorsed nearly 60-70 products. The only advice, I am nobody to give advice, I'm still learning. So this is the only advice, just keep learning. Every day is a new day. Give your best, put your best foot forward. It's a very, very long runway, fashion or films or whatever it is. It is not a 100-meter dash, it is a marathon. Don't bother don't get depressed if there's somebody else, your peer or your contemporary doing better than you right now. Fine, आज उसका टाइम है, कल आपका टाइम भी आएगा. So be at it all the time, give your 100% all the time.
आज जो आपने talent देखा यहाँ पे, this is found unveiling. What do you have to say about it?
आप आज की तारीख में किसी को भी जज नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि कब कौन कल के दिन क्या बन जाएगा या क्या कर पाएगा अपने आप उसकी काबिलियत पे शक नहीं कर सकते. तो these are all very raw talent right now, and they all can go sky high. I wish them, क्योंकि जब तक नए लोग नहीं आएंगे, पुराने हटेंगे नहीं, और नए लोगों का आना इसलिए भी ज़रूरी है कि जो लोग अभी काम कर रहे हैं उनको एक टफ कंपटीशन होता है, तो they also try and give you their best. So ऐसा प्रिडिक्ट करना तो बहुत मुश्किल है कौन कहाँ जाएगा, but they all have brilliant future. They all are very, very promising. They all are brilliant. That's why they are here and been selected to be the finalists. So I can only wish them. And I hope to see a lot of them working with me. I am working with them in future. Hopefully, yes. Why not?
Thank you, Akar.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think most of the things you have said, but I would like to thank Vishal and Habib because they got me here, and it's a beautiful platform. And also, they gave me this opportunity to be a part of this. All the contestants were amazing. Some are confident. They are from different fields. Some are mothers. The most important thing, the mothers, they have done so many things, and they are still here. They're working on themselves. There's one housewife also, और वो यहाँ पर है, उन्होंने इतनी सारी चीज़ें की. So I think these platforms make a lot of sense, especially people like us, like me. I'm not from this industry. It's a long journey. Have to really work hard. Have to put a lot of time. Have patience. Have to have the conviction that you can do something in life. So it's a long journey. I would say Panache is doing great. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you so much for getting me here. That is what I would like to say. Thank you.
If I wanted to see fellow women doing well, exploring glamour world, runway models, that career?
Of course, it inspires a lot. Like I would say, I get a lot of inspiration from Priyanka Chopra, Kangana. So obviously, when you see somebody who's doing so well, especially if they are women, it gives you a lot of inspiration because then you have that courage. हमेशा ऐसा होता है, if she can do, okay, I can also try at least. So this is extremely important. We as a women, we always get inspiration and motivation from fellow women, and it is very important, extremely important. Competition, it's a healthy competition, I would say. We keep getting inspired in terms of जैसे भी मैं अपने competitor को देखती हूँ तो I see, okay, if she's doing this, why not me? Why can't I do something like that? So yes, it does help a lot. Thank you.
I'd like to say that Panache is very close to me. I've been with Panache since last 3 years, and this is the 5th edition of Mr. Miss and Mrs. Panache runway. And the face of Panache is very special because this year we are having around almost 20 contestants, males, Miss and Mrs. And I must say they're all, raw. They are very fresh. The mothers are very confident. The young females are, bang on. They want to win the crown. The males are excited to wear that male crowns. You must have not seen male crowns in most of the events, but yes, we are at Panache are giving male crowns with that magic wand in the hand, and it's wonderful. And I would wish all of them all the best. Go hard, kill it, walk on the finale, and win the crown. That's it. And I love you all. And thank you, the media, because without media, our Panache would not have been this big. So I would thank Parul Chawla, who is with us since so many years, walking with us together in all the events. So thank you, Parul Chawla, for your help, for your support, and for being with us. And I would just say thanks, Waka Sheikh, thanks, Vishal. He is the mentor, he's the director, and he's the brain behind the whole concept. Richa, who will be there in the finale as well, and Dolphin Dubey, yes. So thank you everyone for being part, and thanks all the jury, thank you all the supporting partners, and everyone who is associated with Panache. Thanks for this day, and I hope to see you all at the finale as well, which is there on 30th Jan 2022. Love you all.
Dolphin, you're looking very beautiful today.
Thank you so much.
What do you have to say about runway and Vishal's whole concept and ideation and being the 5th edition this year?
पहली चीज़ तो मैं बिल्कुल ऐसा हिस्सा थी जो कि सबकी बारी और सबने अपने अपने मौक़ों पर इतना कुछ बहुत ही बखूबी कहा है कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि कुछ भी ऐसा बचा है जो मैं कहूँ. लेकिन हाँ, शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी विशाल जी का, हबीब का, एक बहुत ही प्यारे दोस्त और होस्ट का, जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ पर इनवाइट किया, मुझे इस सफ़र का हिस्सा बनाया सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. और जैसा कि इन्होंने भी कहा, वकार सर ने भी, कि जो हमारी कंटेस्टेंट हैं वो रॉ हैं. और येस, मुझे लगता है कि हमें अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं करना चाहिए किसी को. कब कौन कहाँ बाजी मार जाए, हमें नहीं पता.
आपके वर्ड्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन क्या रहेंगे?
मैं अपने बारे में अगर मैं छोटा सा एक उदाहरण दूं तो जैसे कि हमारे पास जो कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं वो मिस्टर, मिस एंड मिसेस, किसी की भी जर्नी कहाँ जाएगी लेकर ये किसी को भी नहीं पता, लेकिन मेहनत सबकी और गोल सबका एक ही होगा. जैसे कि मैं कहूँ अपने बारे में तो मैं एक संगीत बैकग्राउंड मेरा है फैमिली का, और मैं हमेशा से सिंगिंग में जाना चाहती थी. और यहाँ मैं कहूँ कि मैं एज एन एक्टर अगर यहाँ पर काम कर रही हूँ या लोग मुझे पहचानते हैं, जो कभी मेरे सपनों का भी हिस्सा नहीं था, तो इसलिए हम नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि हम क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या चाह रहे हैं और किस ओर हमारा सफ़र जाने वाला है. तो हमारे कंटेस्टेंट भी कुछ ऐसी हैं, और मैं सभी को गुड लक कहना चाहूँगी कि जिस ओर उनकी मेहनत चल रही है वो सपने उनके पूरे हों.
ये हमारा सेकेंड ईयर है पनाज के साथ. वैसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम थैंक यू सो ग्रेटफुल टू आपके साथ काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. और ये इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, मतलब हमारी जो काम करने का तरीका है, जैसा प्रेजेंटेशन है, बहुत ही अच्छी है. और सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है हमारा किसी के साथ भी एसोसिएशन होना या फिर कंटेस्टेंट आना और उनके साथ हमारा रिलेशन. तो ये मैं हमेशा विशाल जी का देखती हूँ कि वो बहुत ही अच्छे से, मतलब ईच एंड एवरी जो भी अवार्ड्स के लिए अवार्डीज़ हों, हमारे मतलब कंटेस्टेंट हों, हमारे जो भी हैं, उनके साथ बहुत अच्छी तरीके से डील करते हैं, जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. क्योंकि इवेंट तो सभी कर लेते हैं, बट उसको वेल ऑर्गेनाइज करना और उसको मेमोरेबल बनाना उन कंटेस्टेंट के लिए, उन पार्टिसिपेंट के लिए, वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है। और ये चीज़ हमेशा विशाल जी रखते हैं, तो इसलिए मतलब बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है और ये चीज़ होना चाहिए।
And we are really proud to get associated with Panache. Vishal is very good friend of us, but जब प्रोफेशनली बात आती है तो कहीं पे भी उन्होंने कोई भी ऐसे लूप होल्स नहीं छोड़े और हर जगह उन्होंने हम लोगों को साथ रखा है एंड वी आर हैप्पी इन एसोसिएशन विथ हिम। बहुत कुछ हमें सीखने भी मिलता है उनसे, बट वेरी वेरी थैंक्स टू विशाल जी getting associated with us and getting as such this platform.
Thank you so much.